The services that I'm currently using with Convergence are the incident management system and the learning management system. We just recently added the incident management system, and it's been a godsend. But one of the other things that we really like is the content. We didn't realize that just having a learning management system without the content was as valuable as what we have with Convergence. The transformation of the learning from our organization when I started in 2015, we did not have a learning management system. In fact, we had very little organized training. What the learning management system with Convergence has brought into play is not only the tracking, but also the ability to not just to look at compliance training all the way through to employee development. The way we were tracking our incident management system prior to that was through our HR team. And quite frankly, it was looking in the rearview mirror. Most of the time, the incidents were not reported correctly. Our management team looks at it. They say, now we have the ability to track this, so they're pushing it as well. It's just been a whole different way from looking at a spreadsheet to now being able to get the information and also to train. Every organization should have the learning management system, and I'll add the incident management system to tie the two together, so if there is an incident that you can look and say, I need the training to help support the incidents that are happening so often in our company. The merge that's taken place between Red Vector and Convergence has made me very excited because there's a lot of things that each of the organizations bring into play, such as the ability to track some of the feedback systems, to be able to look at some other types of learning rather than just the e-learning classes. I'm seeing that they're bringing things that are real-time, current to technology and to the learning environment. And that's a very positive thing for me to see as a learning specialist. We started off with the incident management system, and our hierarchy was not what we wanted it to be. We didn't know any better, but working with the team, we were able to successfully bring all of our hierarchy, we called it establishments, so that they're correct and the teams are in place and the groupings are in place. And with that support, we would never have been able to get where we're at. I was looking for simplicity. I was looking for price. I was looking for the end user. What do they need to do to be able to get into the system very easily? And of course, the administration piece of it. Those are the four, I call them the big fours. So we've seen the engagement level go up because we're more of our own custom truck type of solution, and they don't realize that Convergence is behind the scenes doing all the hard work. It's almost a journey that you're taking your organization through. So depending upon the level that you're at in your organization, take a look at the cost, look at the availability of being able to have it on the cloud, making sure that it's engaged learning. All of those things are really critical. And we did a cost analysis, but we also did a full look at several different, and of course Convergence came out on top of it, heads and tails, when you looked at all those measurements.